What's up YouTube, Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. I didn't find too many new items down the toy aisles, but this is definitely new. We have Transformer Bots, Series 5, and I know nothing about these. All I can say is stuff like this makes fun little gifts and stocking stuffers. And if you watch my last video, you'll see that Dollar Tree is already putting out Halloween, fall, and Christmas items. Not a whole lot, just a little bit here and there, but I really do love being in here every week and seeing what's new, and often getting really surprised by the things they have in here super early. One thing I love getting in here are their garlands, all their birthday things. I just love them. We have all sorts of treat bags over here. These are definitely brand new. They're calling them loot bags, and they're plastic. It says party, eat cake, has little tapes on them. They had to throw in a little bit of 80s. We have the shiny gift sacks, table covers, napkins, all the pretty party plates. In one of my other videos, I saw a really pretty swan party plate, and it was really big. And I think it had like 18 in a pack. These paper straws are new. Unicorns. We also have rainbows. What are these? Fun shades. These are definitely new. Fun shades. Yeah, I like those. I might have to get them. Try them on, see if I like them. And then over here we have tons of candles, the Mylar balloons. We have the punch balloons. We have these swirly ones. Pretty stuff. No one has to know it's from Dollar Tree unless you want to tell them. Hey, for me, that's the sort of flex that I like to have. Like, yeah, this is from Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. We have little balloon clips. These actually hold balloons if you want to make a pretty flower. How many does it come with? It comes with 10. So if you want to make some arrangements like this, you can. I'm definitely going to get one of these. Definitely. These are some other balloons that are new. I found these in the 4th of July section. Oh my gosh, and I love these so much. These are like little balloon tabs. They hold your balloons onto walls, onto whatever you want. I really like them. I think I'm gonna put these back though. I don't know, I really like them. Gator might really like these for his birthday. Actually, I think I'm gonna keep them. I just bought some at Walmart. I go through times where I buy a bunch of balloons and then I don't have any. These are cute. Look at these. Aw. Mini bubble tumblers. No spill. I really like the cute packaging. We also have the green top, and we have the cute little blue top. They're really tiny and cute. If you guys missed a couple videos ago, we have a brand new display. We have Remy Rose, lip balms, lip scrubs, glitter glosses, and liquid lipsticks. So many great toothbrushes by Oral-B. The kids light up timed toothbrushes are still here. We always have lots of name brands down the dental aisle, sometimes even full sizes. So don't think you're not gonna find your favorite here if you're new to shopping at Dollar Tree, because chances are you will find all of your favorite brands. This is so cute, you guys, look at this. You take the cake. Aww. All of the wax melt burners. We also have the stars and moon wax melt burners, and it holds a lot more wax than your typical one. This is always such a great deal. The candle snuffers in 3 different colors, gold, black, and silver. A couple weeks ago when I went live in here, I showed you guys some of these items over here, and they've been selling out really quickly. The display was super huge when I was in here, and it's about 1/3 of the size now. The little hustle candles. We've been having so many brand new candles in Dollar Tree lately, just so many. New holders, wax melt burners, candles. These are cute, so cute. I love this aisle that I'm about to take you guys to right now. Oh my gosh. And these are brand new. These are brand new. Look, you guys. What? Those are so cute, you guys. And it's 2 compartments. These would be really cute for pens, makeup brushes, whatever you want to use them for. Maybe you want to use them for art supplies. These are really cute. I think I want to get 2 of them. Yeah, I really like those. You could do a little something side by side, or you could put them together and do something like that. I love cute containers so much. I think this is new. The relaxing lavender and vanilla. 24 ounces in a container. And then these are brand new this week. We have Tag Sport Deep Cleansing Body Wash in refreshing fragrance. We also have Power Long Lasting Scent. These are 18 ounces. The Schmidt's Body Wash is still here, and those go for $12 everywhere else. Okay, you guys, well, that's it for this video. We're gonna continue here on this aisle, so definitely join me in my very next Dollar Tree video. But all right, you guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't joined the family, please consider joining the family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.